Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to unblock a number on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open your phone app and make sure you're in the dial section. Click on the three dots and click on Blocked. Now click on the three dots again and click on Block Rules. Here is your block list. Click on the number you want to unblock. Press Remove. Confirm. Now you unblock the number. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.